So guys, very good morning to all of you. I am Manvendra Yadav sir from Success Point classes, and today we are going to do wonderful talk show, and this is a talk show. This is not a discussion session, not debate session. So guys, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
How the Josh? How the Josh? Very, very good, and the students are really very eager to discuss on the topic, and we have very, very interesting topic. Which age is the best age? Which age is the best age of our life? Teenage, old age, childhood age, and the last age, old age. Now I want to tell you something about ages. Childhood age, it starts from 1 to 12, and the second age, teenage, it starts from 13 to 18 and 19, and third age, adulthood age, it starts from 20 to 55 and 60, and above 60, the last age starts old age. And all the age, I think all the ages are beautiful, and now I expect to everyone, all the students will have to put your views strongly, confidently. Guys, remember one thing: if you don't have good knowledge about the topic, so don't worry at all. What you know, you speak over the topic. So that is a talk show, and I will try to come everybody. For what you know, you speak on the topic, and you will have to give your 100% on the topic. That is very important thing. Okay guys, so now I start from Sanjana. What do you think, Sanjana? And please hold the mic, please take it.
Sir, in my point of view, childhood age is very good, and it is very enjoyable age for everyone's life. It is first phase of life, and in this age we enjoy every moment of our life, and this is stress free, and the memory of this age we remember all our life, and the memory of this age always comes smile on our faces.
So according to you, childhood age is best. Childhood age is the best age of our life. Okay. Yes, Pushpender, what do you think?
According to me, old age is better than childhood and teenage, because old age people are not do any work, and old age teenage age do work and not relax to health, and old age not do any work and relax to health for all day and not do any work. So
okay, so oh my God, Pushpender ने तो कमाल ही कर दिया. According to Pushpender Patel, old age is the best age of our life. Okay, very good. And sir, what do you think? Yes.
I think that childhood is best, because in childhood we do anything that we can do very easily, and any people don't forget that the things that is very memorable things. According to me, childhood is very best.
Okay, for childhood age is very best. Sir, you don't think so? In childhood, the children do not know anything, and they do what they like. So childhood age is good.
Yes.
And in childhood age, there is no tension, and there is no worry. No tension.
No tension.
And no worry. They are free to do anything. Okay, they are free to do anything. Yes, Akanksha, what do you think? What's your opinion?
I think childhood is the best, because we can't go in school, and we can't any tension. So I think childhood is the best.
Okay, so ma'am, please tell me, Akanksha, how old are you?
I am 9-year-old.
Okay, 9-year-old. So you are still running in childhood age.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you enjoy childhood age?
Yes, sir. I enjoy a lot.
You enjoy a lot.
Yes,
So very
sir.
good. Yes, sir. What do you think, sir?
I think childhood is very, very beautiful, because it's enjoyed a lot.
Okay. Yes, Piyush.
According to me, old age and child age both are same, because child age no problem, no tension, and old age are you are rest on bed and no problem, no tension, all time rest.
Okay, all time rest. So you are very lazy boy and you want to take all time rest. My question is that you want to become very old very soon.
No, I
No tension and there is no worry.
no.
All, because you want to take all time rest. If you become old people, then nobody will say anything else.
Yes.
I will pray to God. You become very old very soon. Okay, Tathastu. Okay, and yes. What do you think, bro?
First life are children.
Childhood age.
First life are child is a very good life. I like child life.
Okay, so you like childhood age. Okay, so you are still running childhood age. Okay, so you are child or you are teenage? How old are you? How old are you?
30.
You are now in childhood age. You are
In teenage.
Teenage. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that age is good.
Yes, sir.
And that is the psychologist says this age is stormy age, and here the children mostly confused. They don't know what is right and what is wrong. Sometimes they take bad decision, wrong decision of their life. So that is very, very dangerous for them. Yes, what do you think? Sometimes teenage take bad decision and wrong decision because they don't know how to do anything. They don't know how to do this, how to do this. So yes, Sanjana, what do you think about teenage?
Sir, it is right that teenage is very hard, very dangerous age. But in this age, parents have to focus on our children, and they have to give advice what have to do they do, and parents have to see what their children do, and every work what work their children do, and they have to focus on their children and help them.
Okay, so in this age, children need to support of their parents. If they get good support of their parents, then I think their life will not be disturbed, and they will not spoil their life. So in this age, yes, what do you think? In teenage, children get support of the parents or not? Yes.
Yes, I think in teenage children get support of their parents, because in teenage they live in very confusely risky. This is the very confusing life, and in teenage children live very confused. They don't know about what they are doing. They only do work. They don't think about that work so much. They do. They don't think about that work's result, and it is very irresponsible life of children. So I think parents have focus on their children, and in time to and at time to understand their children.
Yeah, and should understand the children, and the children should understand the feeling of their parents. So that will be good. Okay. Yes, Anushka, what do you think? Which age is the best age of our life?
According to me, I think child age is very good. Child age is very good.
Okay, childhood age is very good than other ages. Okay. Yes, bro. Yes, brother. What do you think? Which age is best? Yes, please take your seat. Yes.
Childhood is very funny life.
Yeah.
Art.
So you are funny boy.
Yes.
You enjoy your life well.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Childhood age.
Childhood is
very funny.
Funny life. And old age is very tension life.
Okay, very tension. In old age, I think there is no tension. In old age, there is no tension because they are like child. Okay, so okay, very good. Yes, Ayushman. What do you think? What do you think? Which age is the best age of our life?
According to me, child is very good. Child is very good. In child age, children is very free. Children is free and they do anything.
Okay, they do anything. They can do anything.
Yeah.
And they have no tension. They have no worry.
Yes.
So they can enjoy their life.
Yes, they
But
can.
in teenage or adulthood age, they can't enjoy their life. What do you think?
In teenage, they enjoy our life.
Okay. For in teenage, they also enjoy the life. For it depend upon us how we are living our life. For it is person to person matter. Some persons are really very interesting. They can enjoy their life at any age. But some people are like Devdas. They can't enjoy their life because they are boring people. The people who always want to find negative things. So these type of people can't enjoy the life. The people who always think positive, the people who always looks bright side of the thing, the people can enjoy the life at any situation, in any situation, because it's depend upon the people. And I think, guys, every stage of life is really very beautiful. Now I want to know who want to speak something special. Then I conclude the topic. Yes, who want to speak something special? Yes, anybody?
About age.
Yeah, about ages. Yes, Palak, what do you think? Which age is the best age?
Childhood.
Childhood age is the best age. Do you want to say anything else?
Childhood is very
Very good age.
good age. Childhood is no tension.
Oh, no tension. Why do you think so? Childhood age is better than other age. Why do you think so? Because we can do anything. What we want. Yes?
What we-
Okay. Do you want to speak something special? Yes, Hari.
I want to say special about the ages. If we talk about ages, so there are four ages in everybody's life. If we talk about children age, so there's very funny and enjoyable life for everybody. If we talk about teenage, so in teenage we are very cradles, we are very trusting, and somebody says to me, so so everybody follow them bad, because we don't use our mind, and we don't think about the back and forth, about the work and what work is good and what work is not a good. So we can say that is very cradles life, teenage. If we talk about adult age, so we can say that is very responsible, and that is very respectfully life, because in this age we earn money, so everybody gives our respect a lot to me, because we earn money in this age. If we talk about adult age, so if we talk about old age, so everybody take rest our body in old age. Okay, sir.
Okay, so old age. So you described about all ages. So now, guys, I'm going to conclude the topic. I think every stage of life is really very beautiful. And if we talk about childhood age, it is really good age. In this age, we are free to do anything, and children have no tension, no worry, and they really enjoy the life. They can enjoy the life if they living their life as life should be lived. We can enjoy our life only then when we think all the sides positive. If we think positive sides, then we can enjoy the life. And sometimes we have to face many problems, many hurdles in our life, but we have to face the challenges, because the people who face challenges, who can achieve anything or everything what he or she wants. So we should not fear. We should not afraid of the challenges. We should take risks. Only then we can achieve success of our life. And I strongly believe that every stage of life is really wonderful and is very interesting. It is depend upon the people. If we if we are good people and if we live our life in a good way, then we can enjoy every stage of life, whether it is old age or adulthood age or teenage. And I already explained about teenage, that is very difficult age of the person, and on this stage we have to take any step with sincerely. In this stage we have to take every step by using our mind, and in this stage the children need the support of their parents, and parents should support them. Parents should understand his desires. Parents should understand what the children want, and children also should understand what their parents want and what their parents thinks. If we understand everybody's feeling, if we have good mutual understanding, then there will be no problem in our life. So guys, I think this was a very healthy discussion, and it was very interesting discussion which we have done with all the students, and you all have put your views strongly on the topic. And now guys, clap for everyone, clap for yourself. Thank you so much.